The first step is to turn on the lifting system and lift the pre-soaked soybeans into the mill through a hose. When no soybeans can be seen inside the hose, all the soybeans have been lifted. By adjusting this button, the speed of soybean feeding can be regulated. The second step is to turn on the first grinder switch. You must first turn on the faucet switch, and then adjust the distance between the grinding wheels of the grinding machine through the handle until you can hear the sound of the upper and lower grinding wheels rubbing against each other. Turn on the feed switch and perform the operation of feeding and grinding the slurry. Turn on the okara stirring switch at the same time. The soybean okara grounded by the first grinding machine. When the first grinder finishes its work, turn off the lifting system and first grinder switches. And turn on the second grinder switch. Still adjust the distance between the upper and lower grinding wheels through the handle first. Controls the speed and flow rate of the grinding slag in the second mill by adjusting the blue handle. After the grinding process is completed, turn off all the switches. The soybean okara grounded by the second grinding machine. After the soy milk is grounded, it is placed in the soy milk tank. The soy milk can be transported to the next process by connecting the soy milk outlet to the soy milk pump. The finished soy milk made by our machine